Hi, welcome again. Here I will discuss about how to work with the exercise files. For exercises, we are providing hints, but don't look at the hints at starting. After completing the exercise, you can actually look at the hint. If you look at the hint, you can probably use your hidden creativity to work with the exercises. This is what I did initially. So first, finish up the exercises, how much you know about the learned things, and start recalling the hints. Try using the string and help command to get most of the hints to your own talent. This is the one way to learn with confidence. Self-guided option is always better for practicing things your own way. As a beginner, you must create your own cheat sheets before start working with any project. Creating your own cheat sheet makes it easier to include the coding and docstring as per your knowledge level. It also makes it easy to remember things. You will give importance for only the things that looks like complex or complicated after creating cheat sheet. So I request you to create 3 cheat sheets based on 3 stages of learning. One for the basic level, one for the intermediate level, and one for the advanced level. Whichever may be the language doesn't matter. You must make a practice of creating the cheat sheet by yourself so that it also helps in preparing for interview to update the coding skills necessary for interviews. Again, please give importance for print statement while displaying the output, as the output and without print statements differs a lot. So many interviewers ask specific questions only on print statements. So it is very important from the point of view of quiz as well as from the interview. Thanks for knowing these better things. Let us meet in the next tutorial.